Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on how I show you how I got this lip combo that is very pretty from LipSense, please hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to ring the bell before you leave. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, you're probably wondering why I'm hopping on and like pretty much my whole face is done except I need to fix my eyebrows and stuff. But I wanted to show you guys a really pretty combination of the LipSense. Now, LipSense is Synergen's lipstick. It's kiss proof, smudge proof. It lasts from 4 to 18 hours. It's not tested on animals. It doesn't have animal products in it. It is so good for your skin, and it also has SPF in it. If you have any more questions, please put them down below. And also, after this video in the description box, if you want these two colors, this color is Pop Art Pink, and this is Last Chance. It's 25% off. So that's pretty good because one color is $25. So you can wear it by itself, or you can layer it, and I did a video on layering LipSense, but I am going to do Pop Art Pink and the new limited edition Amber Spice. This is a great one for fall. And then I'm gonna do 2 layers of this one, Amber Spice, and 1 layer of Pop Art Pink. So, or I might do it backwards. So, and then I'm going to use, to seal it all in, I'm going to use Glossy Gloss. So one thing I'm going to say, I'm going to talk all now because while I'm applying it, you cannot talk. It's really hard because your lips cannot touch, and yeah, it's just really hard. So when you first start, before you start, you want to shake it. So I'm going to shake both of them. And you hear that clicking sound? It's a ball actually inside there mixing the color all together. And 1 tube of this LipSense is equal to 4 LipSense sticks. I want to say LipSense, but it's lipstick. So this is a liquid lip color that is amazing. So I'm gonna do pink, Pop Art Pink, and you want to make sure that your lips are clean and dry before you start. So I'm going to just whip them off, and then you just want to make them clean and dry. Hold on. So I just blot it with a tissue. Okay? And so you want to do that because you don't want anything, any food, any makeup on your lips, because once you put this on, if you have food and stuff, it could, or makeup, it could crack and it won't last as long. So here we go. This is a very pigment color. So, and you want to wipe off the excess, and you want to go in the same direction you started. So here I go. And before I forget, while you're waiting for it to dry, you want to wait like 3 to 5 seconds, depending on the color, maybe 10. But you can, in between, you can fix up the color if you messed up. So, here we go. And if I mess up, I'll pause, turn around, and show you. So here I go. One. Shake it. You want to make sure it's dry. So this is layer 2. Wipe off the excess. Okay, so layer 3. Okay. Trick. That's right. glossy gloss. Glossy gloss. Once you seal in the glossy gloss, you can rub your lips together. I don't know if you heard that last part, but once you put the glossy gloss on, you can rub your lips together at that point. And this is how it turned out. I tried to do a little bit of ombre, but I would first start out with the amber spice and then do the pop art pink like I was going to do it. But once you put the glossy gloss on, it's sealed and everything. You can blot it off at that point, and you could put a shadow sense on or over top, or you could put one of the LipSense glosses. So I'm going to finish up and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the Amber Spice and Pop Art Pink LipSense. This is how it turned out. It looks a lot like the limited edition Kiss My Sass, which is sold out and you can't get it anymore, I don't think. But if you like this, please give this a thumbs up or a like. And if you like these products, I can send you the link directly, or you can down in the description box, it'll have the link code and you can click there. So thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can see all of my videos when they are first posted, first come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Okay, so one more thing I want to add. I just got done eating lunch and still perfectly on. This is Shadow Sense, but I'll show you. There is nothing there on my hand. Doesn't smudge, nothing. That's what LipSense is all about. If you want your lipstick to stick, like, LipSense is the key for you. So thanks for watching.